Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the SoundCloud account of yours. Now to begin the process, open the SoundCloud application that you have downloaded. Once you're at the home page of SoundCloud, you need to tap on I already have an account. Tap that. Here for the login, you will have the option of continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, and then email process. If you tap on the upper three option, you will be logged in into the SoundCloud account of yours with just one tap. But here we're going to go through email and password process. So type in your email address, then type in your password, then tap on continue, and this will get you signed in into the SoundCloud account of yours. There is the signing process. As you can see, you have been logged in. So this is how you can log in into the SoundCloud account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.